Wow, what a nice camera.
Yeah, I need it after. Nothing. Holy shit. Yo! You got so skinny, bro! Skinny this guy is. You got so skinny. Yo, what are you saying? You good? You good? You good? Yeah? Bro, is this guy not skinny? Look at him.
How are you, sir?
The Polaroid. I mean, which one?
You're in the video, son.
Yeah, I've been in the video. What the hell? I'm like the main model, okay?
Is that the bunno?
There, like, okay. There you go. Now you're a bunny. Alright.
Yo, which one should I get?
I know nothing about tripods, so you're on your own here.
Should we open up my tech desk or is it?
Yeah, let's go to tech desk. Vlogging his life. I don't know, there's a price on it.
There's not.
$19.99.
Okay.
The regular price.
Let's go.
It's like I almost used to work here or something.
Bro.
This one's way too expensive.
This one. This one's fine. What's wrong with this guy?
You have price check on this?
$39.99. A who?
A liger.
A liger.
A liger.
It's a liger.
Whoa.
There's only one G.
It's a tiger and
A lion. Yeah, it's a liger.
like, I just want to like squeeze it, you know?
It'd probably eat you.
Hello.
Now some people might think I'm bullying Sahil here, but that's just a relationship. I also forgot to film me leaving, so this is the outro to this clip.
I was like, do I have a puppy? Why is it behind me? That's you. Thank you.
Thank you. You don't have to go. Alright, so we're going to Superstore because of the overwhelmingly positive comments on our last video. My last video, sorry. And we're getting wings. It's the pearly white gates to Superstore. Later book. No way. I like your hair. March. March.
Oh, they're trying to grow it.
I like it. Hang on.
That's what all the girls say too.
No honey garlic?
Oh, there's some later.
It's okay then. That's yes.
It's like having another child. You have a child?
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Another child? What do you mean?
I'm playing music, turn it on.
What's up, guys? We didn't have wings. Alright. Well, that's the end of this vlog.